Vishal is ranked 14 in a class of 43 students from the top. So here they are asking from the top and the bottom. Okay. So again the question is of same kind. है ना, उसमें left right था, इसमें top bottom है. तो again 43 minus 14 it will be 9 and 3 minus 1 is 2, 29. But I told you कि यहाँ पे विशाल की पोजीशन भी एलिमिनेट हो जाती है. तो 29 plus 1. Okay, I am making plus 1 here. So 30 means option A is correct. Let us start the question number 21 of this reasoning series. Okay, if you count 21 letters in English alphabet from the end, okay, and 20 letters from the beginning, which letter is exactly appears in the middle of the sequence thus formed? Okay, तो English alphabet का question है, तो I will suggest you कि let us write the complete alphabet first, A to Z, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X then Y and Z. Okay, if you count 21 letters in the English alphabet from the end, so 21 from the then Y and Z. Okay, if you count 21 letters in the English alphabet from the end, so 21 from the end, or you know कि total alphabets are 26, so 21 will be 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. This is the 21 alphabet from the end. End means from the right side. If we count, F will come the 21 and 20 letter from the beginning. 20 letter from the beginning is again you have to skip the 6 letters from the end. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I am skipping these 6, so I am getting T as the 20. Okay, means this 20 letters they want from the counting from the left side. Okay, and this 21 they want the number from the right side, counting from the right side. Okay, this is 20, this is 21. 21 from the right side if we start counting, and 20 if we start the counting from the left side. Okay, so now the question become easy. Which letter will exactly appears in the middle of the sequence? Middle means first count how many letters are there in between. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 means the 7th letter will be the middle one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I am skipping these 6. This 7th one will be our answer, means option D, M. ओके, 6 हम यहाँ से स्किप कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली 6 यहाँ पे रह जाएंगे ऑन द राइट साइड. सो मिडल लेटर एम हमारा हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी. ओके, अगेन द सीरीज क्वेश्चन इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 लेटर्स आर देयर, है ना. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. तो वी हैव टू टेक द 6th लेटर, है ना, स्किपिंग 5th फ्रॉम हेयर, 5 फ्रॉम हेयर एंड 5 फ्रॉम हेयर. 6th लेटर विल बी द मिडल वन. 1 2 3 4 5 6, which is O. Okay, O is the midway letter. Okay, and we have to find which letter is 4th to the left. This is the right side. जिस हैंड से हम लिखते हैं वो राइट साइड होती है. अपोजिट जो है हमारा वो लेफ्ट हैंड होता है. तो जो मिडवे लेटर आया बिटवीन P एंड S वो O आया. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड 4th टू द लेफ्ट. दिस इज द लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, 4th 1 2 3 4 means H. H is the 4th letter to the left of O. So option D. Now let us start with the question number 25. The watch is more expensive than shirt. For the watch I am using symbol W, and for the shirt I am using symbol SH. The watch is expensive, so greater sign is towards the watch. Then shirt, so SH. And watch is expensive than tie also, so TI for tie. This equation. The tie is less expensive than shirt. Tie is less expensive than shirt. So you can see shirt is more expensive than tie. The tie is less expensive than shirt, but more expensive than shoes. So tie is more expensive than shoes. So for the shoes I am using S. For the shirt I am using SHI. Okay, SHI is for the shirt. SHI. And S is for the shoes. Okay, so tie is more expensive than shoes. Which of the following is least expensive? So again, we have to make a single equation out of this 4 equation. Watch is greater, or you can say expensive than shirt. Okay, shirt is greater than tie, or you can say expensive than tie. Watch is expensive than shirt. Watch is expensive than tie also. Shirt is expensive than tie, this equation, and tie is expensive than shoes. So you can see the least expensive item among all is shoes option.